Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Haven Family Farm. Today we're in the garage doing a little how-to project. Yeah, I guess I could take my coat off. It's warm in here, but it's only about 30-some degrees outside here in the middle of April. What can you say? The weather's been a roller coaster everywhere. But anyway, on to today's video. We have this gas-powered pressure washer here behind me. That's an electric one that has its own issues. But today we're going to talk about this gas-powered one. This one says Briggs & Stratton. It does have a Briggs & Stratton engine on it, but a lot of these are kind of very similar. They might have a different engine on them. Maybe the cart part of it looks a little different, but overall, they're all pretty much the same. So what I had happen on mine was the pump assembly underneath. I thought I had drained all the water out of it, and I put it up to get it out of the way. I put it up in a different building over the winter time, just to get it out of here, because as you can see from this video, this garage is cram-packed. I did not have all the water out of it, so we ended up with a cracked pump assembly. So let me show you that quick here. I'll tip this guy over, and we'll come down here, and right here, you can see I did try to kind of weld it back up a little bit, and that did not work. So this is the pump assembly here, this piece, and surprisingly I was able to find that replacement part. And I say surprisingly, a lot of you might be like, well, you're an idiot, of course you can buy that part. Well, to me, the way our society has gone is we're sort of a throwaway society. Everything is manufactured to be used and basically thrown away and get a new one. That's the way a lot of the stuff is anymore. So to me, yeah, I know there's a motor on it and blah, 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 but it's probably 5 or 6 years old. I just figured, whatever, I'm not going to be able to get any parts for it. But as it turns out, both Amazon and eBay had parts available for this, and I was able to order. My dog's in here with me today. I was able to order a new pump assembly. This is where I got it. If you want to order anything from them, I am not sponsored by them or anything, but I did have a good sales experience with them. That's their name. I did buy this on eBay. Like I said, it was available on Amazon. I just ended up on eBay, and that's where I purchased mine. So let's see here. So this is the new unit. On ours, this is the spot that cracked right across here. So it looks to be the same unit. It has little O-rings in it already. So to me, I think all we have to do is basically there's 3 little bolts that'll come out on that pressure washer, and we'll put this guy on there. So after that, we should be good to go. So I'm going to get set up, get some tools, and I'll get right back to you and show you what we're doing. Okay, so we got our little Allen wrench. I believe it's a 6 mil. And there's just 3 bolts, little bolts here that'll come out. First thing we'll do is just undo the pressure washer hose here that goes to the wand and get that out of our way. There we go. A little gunky in there. Alright, make sure we're in reverse. And there you have it. Fairly snug. Get these out of here, and then I will show you what it looks like. So be right back. Alright, we're taking the last one out here. They all appear to be the same size, so we don't have to worry about just a little corrosion on them there on the one. Alright, let's see how this comes off. Boom. Just like that. Now, we got to be careful here because a couple of these rubber seals stuck on there. and you don't want to double them up because the new one comes with new ones. So let's see here. There we go. So we'll just show you here. They appear to be the same thing. You can kind of see a few subtle differences, but nothing too crazy. So you may be asking yourself, all right, well, you told me earlier in the video that it's kind of a generic pump on any kind of motor from many different companies, so how do I figure out which one to order? There is some kind of a little part number on here, but I think actually that's more of a serial number. The way that I found out which one I needed was I went to the bottom of my pump. I got to turn you sideways here so you can try and read that. But it says 2.2 G26 SRMW 2.2 G26. Okay, so that was the number. I had taken a picture of that little serial tag there, and that's actually the number that I needed to get the part. There are a couple different ones. I think there's a 2 point something, you know, anyway, whatever, it doesn't matter. But that was what I used right off the pump to find out which assembly I needed. So just look for that information on the bottom of yours, and then you can match it up online. So anyway, that's what we did. So let me set you back up here and we'll snug this thing back on. All right, we'll take our new one here. Let's see, make sure we put it on the right way, I guess, right? Don't think that would go over too well if we put it on the wrong way. All right, so it takes a little bit of wiggling and a little bit of pressure, not a lot, no hammers or anything, to get that seated down on there, because those O-rings, of course, are snug. So I'll put these 3 little bolts back in, and I will come back to you here in a second. Okay, so as I tighten these down, I don't know if it makes any difference, but I'm just doing each one a little at a time, just to try to tighten them up evenly, kind of like a car tire where you just rotate, just snugging them, and that should be good. So all right, gotta put our let's see, gotta pop this guy off. That's on there good, isn't it? So that we can put our wand line back in there. Come on. There we go. Push the center in first and then do the outside coupler. That worked better. Nice and tight. Okay, there is a strainer and a washer in the other end for the hose, and we'll stand this up. All right, we should be good to go. So let's go hook this up and we'll try it out. Pressure washer is working great. I'm probably covered in crap. Giving the truck a once over, and then we're going to soap it all down and wash it again. I did change, there was a leaky or a broken O-ring right here. I did change that. I took this apart and changed the O-ring, so that's not leaking anymore. But we'll come down here and I'm in the way. There we go. Obviously there's water on the pavement because of the wand, but I don't know if you can see in here, this is completely dry. Nothing's leaking, everything's working great. So there you have it, just a simple repair. That part was, I think it was $80 delivered to my door. So, I mean, you saw it took 2 minutes to change the thing, and it saves buying, you know, $500-600 pressure washer again. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Excuse me. Just a basic repair, but something maybe not everybody knows about, and can help save you some money. So that's what the whole point of this was. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, hit the subscribe button for me, please. We're going to be doing different tool review videos, and of course our regular equipment videos and things like that, but we're going to mix in repairs, household stuff, equipment stuff. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, please, and don't forget, leave your comments down below. I love reading comments. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.